Who is driving innovation in rapidly evolving zeolites market? BASF leads with 7% market share, followed by Honeywell International at 6%. W.R. Grace & Company holds 4%, while Clariant International and Arkema each account for 2%. Together, these top 5 companies represents just 21% of the global market, highlighting significant opportunities for growth and innovation. So, what will define the next industry leaders? The answer lies in advanced catalyst technology, sustainable manufacturing, high-performance adsorption solutions, and the ability to meet evolving industrial and environmental demands worldwide. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.